good, YouTube? And today, hey, we got a video, you know what I'm saying? We got a little a prank or whatever the hell you want to call it. It's called get a girl number without saying anything. So me and my homeboys, you know what I'm saying? We all at the mall right now. We gotta get a girl number, like get her number, and you can't say nothing. That's the only rule. You just can't say nothing. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Alright, got my dude Kenny right here. Roger. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Messiah plays. Yeah, Kaz, tell him what's up, man. You got Kaz.
What's up, son?
You feel me?
Hold on, I think.
Trail.
What the fuck was that?
See, we got Pip in this hoe, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you see? Hey, go ahead and get that merch, man. Get that merch.
Get that merch, man.
Get that merch. Hey, now we about to go ahead and get the first victim. Let's go.
I get mustard.
Hey, he got that on. Hey, tell him right, tell him right. Tell him. You know what it is? DJ, we got that on, man. DJ, we got that on. You ended the video? Okay. Yeah, start.
You gonna help me or not? I don't know what you're gonna do with it.
Bruh, she ain't want to give it to him, man.
You okay? She was flaking on him, kid?
Yeah, man, she was flopping, man. Tell her how you feeling, man.
I'm hurt.
Right here. Oh, my nigga, Kaz, man, tell her how you feeling, son.
Hey, boy, I feel good.
Kaz, come here, Kaz. Kaz finally got him, man. He finally got him. He finally got him, man. Kaz, tell him how you feeling, son. Tell him how you feeling, man.
Hey, just delete it.
Tell him it's easy.
Look, that shit was easy as hell.
It's easy.
That shit was easy.
I got a contestant today. Man, what's up, man? You know what I'm saying? Can I have your number?
Yeah.
What my chicken butt doing? Oh, you sleep?
You want something to drink?
Nah. I'm about to finish recording. Tell the camera how you doing today. Huh? Yeah, DJ did, and what you call it did. Kaz just got it. Kaz just got the number. Alright, man. Let me see. Love you too. How long you been working here?
About 6 years.
6 years.
Yes.
You married?
Yes. For 6 years.
Dang. So you got married like around the time you started working?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, right, stop lying.
Everything.
Ring it all up for you right now.
No, not everything. I was just playing. Some stuff for girlfriends, you know.
Okay. What kind of stuff they like? Or what do they wear a lot of? What you about to give me this phone? What you doing with it? What you doing with this phone? What you want my phone number in there? Or you can't have that?
Hello? Yeah, I just locked it.
You too. Want to say something to the camera?
No.
You don't want to say nothing? She ain't want to give it to him, man.
That's crazy, damn, bro.
She ain't want to give it to him. We gonna try another day.
We're gonna try another day, bro.
Kid, that was you right there. Hey, you get her just too many niggas.
Yeah, that's what it was, huh? She was stunned, bro.
Yeah, man.
She was stunned. That's all it was, bro. I ain't tripping on her.
Yeah, I just want to. Yeah, I'm sorry. So I
What you need?
You know.
Oh, baby, I'm taking.
I ain't fucking with me today, bro. We gonna get some shit though. Fuck it. Hey, I shoot at that cougar right there.
He gonna shake back. That bitch look like she married. Got a big house, Mercedes Benz, with two bull masters. She oh. Man, that Alexandra Mall, you go strike out this motherfucker.
She married, y'all. Somebody done already put a ring on her. Country bumpkin already married.
Hey,
So look,
LeBron in there. Hey, we gonna find something else, man. We went to the dead part of the mall. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we toe up right now. You know what I'm saying? Where he at?
Hey now. Act normal, okay? Act normal. Could you help me out, please?
What's up?
what's up?
Oh.
What we got going on? Private.
Right.
So
That's
I
all
can't-
private, no public, because it ain't open to the
Right.
public. But it's all private.
Right.
This is public
But
private.
just look at it though, but it's still private. So I can't come in there and set up shop on your land without your permission, correct?
Right.
It's
Right.
the same thing here.
But check this out, it's
can't-
not public. I'm not opening it to the public.
You good, man. But yeah, I'm a YouTuber and I was just vlogging.
What's your YouTube?
Huh?
What's your YouTube?
KFREEZY. You got your phone on you?
I like watching vlogs.
Yeah. Go watch mine whenever you get home.
I mean, me personally, I don't have problems with it, but they have.
Yeah, I got you. But yeah, I'm a YouTuber and I was just vlogging. And it got this challenge out. It's just how to get a girl number without saying anything.
Without saying anything.
Yeah, so like you just got your contacts out, you just handle the phone and then see if she give you the number. Now if she don't, you strike out. If you do get it, you just get it. Any woman of age. Yeah. I appreciate it. Alright. Yeah, I do vlogs, I do gaming videos, I do like every game. I just do everything to try to like catch like a different crowd. And right now I'm almost 1,000 subscribers. So I'll be getting paid for it soon too. Yeah. Yeah, I get what you're saying. I got you.
Usually, when people do that, I like to just ask the management first.
Yeah.
That way there's no issues like that.
Okay.
And some places, like say Walmart, some of the managers, they get tested.
Yeah.
Like different Walmarts, like say you want to hit North Mall, the managers not cool with it.
Yeah.
Go to one Coliseum, they're like, no, you can't record in there.
Yes, sir.
And we get called out there, and it's just a big hassle because some people don't understand. It's like, I'm not trying to stop you.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying.
I'm just, like he explains, it's above him too. It's the management. You know, he just
It's our job, so yeah.
we just unfortunate, but like you're not recording the
Yeah, the mall itself.
I think it's probably good.
just like for instance, earlier we had some little girls, I think 13, 14 years old.
Yeah.
You know, there was a guy following them, you know, so they had to come let me know and say for instance you was checking that out with the camera, you know, doing your thing, and they think that you watching them. You see?
I got you.
So you have to be careful, you know. I see what you did.
What would you do a while back? That was recording people dressing. Yeah, that, you know.
Yeah. I understand what you're saying. All right, appreciate it. Hey, don't forget to go watch it when you get home. Yeah, y'all. The police, know what I'm saying? Well, not the police, like the actual police, but the mall cop. The mall cop thought that I was trying to record like little girls and shit like that, because they had somebody else doing it earlier. And I'm like, no man, I'm vlogging. And the real cop understood that I was vlogging or whatever, and he subscribed to my channel and everything. He was like, yeah man, he was like, I watch vlogs, I understand what you're saying. And they were just trying to say that it was private property, that I couldn't vlog in the mall. But shit, it got people that be bringing their cameras in there 24/7 every day. And the real cop was just telling me, he was like, you could do it anywhere in a public store. He was like, yeah, some people gonna try to make up their rules in case they think you're doing something wrong. He was like, but I seen nothing wrong. He's like, and I was trying to tell him that you wasn't doing nothing wrong, because I watched you earlier when you had came in the mall with your camera. And he was like, I seen that you wasn't doing nothing like that. And yeah, that was just me explaining what happened in the little store, what in like the part of the cop. Cause like I was doing my homeboy Trav last. I was doing like the last one y'all just seen, doing the last one, and he was like, the mall cop like popped up behind me and shit like, hey, what you doing or whatever. But yeah, hey, that was some good ass content today. That was some funny content, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate all my boys that came did the video with me, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what else y'all want to see, you know what I'm saying? Hey, subscribe to the channel, man. We growing. Hey, we lit. Look at my boy right there. Tell him we lit, boy. We lit. Tell him we lit, son. Yeah. Look at mama. Look at that beautiful mama. Mommy ain't stinky, man. Yeah, y'all. We out. Love y'all and peace.
Hit the yo, get in my zone. Drop another thug letter. Lord, I've been focused. Dripping sauce, I know.